about sports cars. The 1963 Ferrari 250 GTO is the most expensive sports car ever sold. The Ford Mustang is the best-selling sports car in the world. The Bugatti Chiron is the fastest car in the world, top speed of 304 miles per hour. Here are some of the top sports car makers: Ferrari, Lamborghini, Mercedes, BMW, Audi, Bugatti, Ford, Porsche, Rolls-Royce, and Volkswagen. Here are some of the most expensive sports cars in the world. 1. Bugatti Cento Dieci cost around $13 million US. Number 2. Pagani Huayra Codalunga cost around $7.4 million US. Number 3. Bugatti W16 Mistral costs around $5 million US. Here are some of the cheapest sports cars. Number 1. Mazda MX-5 Miata. Number 2. Hyundai Veloster N. Number 3. Dodge Challenger. Here are some of the safest sports cars. Number 1. Audi S5. Number 2. BMW 2 Series. Number 3. Ford Mustang. That's it for today, guys. Please like, share, and subscribe for more hyperfacts.